women love their shoes, but after moving to Bermuda, I went from this winter footwear in Canada to this winter footwear in Bermuda. I went from this summer footwear in Canada to this summer footwear in Bermuda.
I gave up on my high heels because you can't walk on the sand in stilettos. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, I kinda like to meet. Pretty woman.
The new year, I'm switching to moccasins for grounding purposes. By wearing leather soles, you have a connection to the ground as you're walking. Happy holidays. Maybe barefoot is best.